So the first thing that you're going to want to do in your search console for your Shopify store is go right down to Sitemaps and then add a sitemap. And what a sitemap is essentially what it sounds like. It's a map to your site that Google uses so that it'll rank, it can read your website higher, and it actually increases your SEO rankings. So what you're going to want to do is go to your root domain, in case drippyhoodies.com/sitemap.xml, and hit enter. And if you're on Shopify, it should generate a sitemap.xml. If you're on WordPress, it might look a little different, like sitemap_index.xml. That's fine. Whatever it says right here is what you're going to want to copy. And once you copy it, flip back into your search console. Again, go to sitemaps and then paste it right there and hit submit. And it should have a status of success. But if it doesn't, go ahead and refresh the page, and I bet that'll fix it.